Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker chicken. It's just an easy way to cook up some chicken at the beginning of the week and have it for the rest. I like to shred it up at the end, pull it apart, so it's kind of like a pulled chicken. It's great for if you want to do fajitas or chicken salad. So what you do is you just take the chicken, add it to the slow cooker. And then once you have it in there, you can add any seasoning you wish. That's just a little bit of garlic. I like to throw in some dried chili flakes. A little bit of heat there. Throw in a little bit of parsley. And a little bit of onion powder. Then you just take some water, just pour it in so it covers the chicken like that. Then just turn it on. I'm going to set mine to high, and we'll see in about 4 hours when it's done. Alright, so when the chicken is done, you shut this off, and then you take a casserole dish, take your chicken out, it's easier to do one piece at a time, and just take a spatula, break it up, and just keep repeating that until it's done. And there you go. That's slow cooker chicken. It's all nicely shredded. Just put it in the fridge and take out what you need. Thanks for watching.